A very welcome to your favorite program, Learn Twi with Opoku. In this episode, we're going to learn a very interesting topic. And what is that? Twi Greetings. In Twi we call it Nkyea Greetings. Nkyea. Twi Greetings. You see, in English we have good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. How do we say these forms of greetings in Twi? Let's start with what? Good morning. How do we say good morning in Twi? In Twi we say memawakye. Memawakye, that means good morning. We say memawo akye, good morning. Memawo means I give you. Akye comes from the Twi noun ahemadache, and that is the Twi noun for what? Early in the morning, ahemadache. So we get akye from that word, Twi noun. So when you say memawo akye, it's like saying I give you morning, or I give you early morning. But we are saying what? Good morning. So to say good morning in Twi, we say memawo akye. And that is what? Good morning. However, most people shorten it. And this is how they say it. Maakye. Maakye, meaning what? Good morning. So you can say it like this. In fact, most people, about 80%, this is how they say Maakye instead of memawo akye. But any of them is okay. Maakye or memawo akye means what? Good morning. Good. And then we also have good afternoon. How do we say it? Good afternoon. That one too we say memawo aha. Memawo aha. Aha comes from this word, ehan. Ehan, and that is light. It is believed that in the afternoon, there is more light. There is light everywhere. So it's like saying, I'm giving you what? Light. Or I'm giving you the afternoon. So, memawo aha. But just as I've told you, people in the morning they say Maakye. In the afternoon too they say Maaha. Maaha meaning good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Memawo aha or Maaha. And that is what? Good afternoon. How do we say good evening? Good evening. Memawo adwo, meaning good evening. Good evening. Adwo, when we say adwo, it means something is what? Cold, or it has cooled down. It is believed that in the evening the sun is set and everywhere is cool. So it's like it is what? Calm and very, very hot, peaceful. So when we say memawo adwo, it means what? Good evening. Good evening. So how do we say good night? At night, you will go and sleep. So how do we say good night to someone? We say daye. Daye meaning what? Good night. Good night. So what are we saying? We are saying that in the morning we greet Maakye or memawo akye. That is good morning. In the afternoon we say memawo aha or Maaha, and that is good afternoon. In the evening we say memawo adwo or Maadwo, which is what? Good evening. Maadwo or Memao adwo, it means good evening. And at night, when you say, I'm going to sleep, you are with your friends, but you tell them, okay, friends, I think we have to call it a day. I'm going to sleep. Then they will say, okay, good night. Then they will say, Nkyea. That means what? To sleep. Or when I say that, it means I'm telling you to what? Sleep. Ye means what? Well or perfect. So it's like what? Nkyea, sleep well. Good night. And there is another special greeting when you go and meet someone doing a particular work which you think demands some recommendations. You want to say congratulations or well done. In Twi, well done or congratulations, we say this. Yeah, so if someone does something that requires some praises, then we say Ayikoo, well done, or congratulations. Good. In any of these forms of greetings, one is required to respond. So if I greet you Maakye, Maaha, Maadwo, there should be a response. If I greet you Maakye, you will respond. But the response depends on who is greeting you. Is the person of your same age, older than you, or he is a chief, or she is a queen, or an elder in society? That will determine the response. So for instance, if my mate greets me Maakye, and then I will respond. Then I will respond, ya anua, ya anua. Anua comes from the word nua, which means brother or sister. So it's like saying, ya my sister, or ya my brother, ya anua. That is how we will respond. If the person is a man of my father's age, then I will respond, ya agya. Ya agya. Agya means what? Father. Father. So I'll respond, ya agya. If she's a woman of my mother's age, then I will say, ya ena. Ena means what? Mother. So ya ena. Ya ena. Ya agya. If that person is a chief, or a queen, or an elderly, well-respected elderly in society, then with respect we say, ya nanao. Ya nanao. Ya nanao, meaning I greet you, or I respond, say, or king, or chief, or queen. So these are the responses that we will respond. But after the response, culturally, we are supposed to ask ourselves how each one is faring, and even how each one's family is also what? Faring. So if someone greets me Maakye, then I'll respond, ya anua. Either I or that person can also go on to ask, wo ho te sɛn? Wo ho te sɛn? Meaning, how are you? How are you? Wo ho te sɛn? And then, if that person asks me that, then I will respond, me ho ye. Me ho ye. I am faring well. Me ho ye. Me ho ye. I am feeling well, I am faring well, or everything is fine. But culturally, a young person is not supposed to ask an elder, how are you? It is the elder who is supposed to ask the young person, how are you? Unless the young person knows that the elder is sick. After that one, then after greetings, he or she can ask the elder, please, how are you? Me power chow, what to say? Me power chow, what to say? Please, how are you? In that sense, it is culturally accepted. So what are we saying? If I meet you in the morning, I will say, Maakye, Maakye. And then you will say, ya anua, ya anua. Then I will ask you, what to say? What to say? And then you will respond, me ho ye, meaning what? I am faring well. If I meet you in the afternoon, I will say, Maaha, Maaha, meaning what? Good afternoon. Maaha. And then I or you can ask, what to say? What to say meaning, how are you? How are you? And then I will say, me ho ye, I am faring well, or I am fine. In the evening, I will say what? Me Maadwo or Maadwo, meaning good evening. The response is the same. Ya anua, ya agya, ya ena. Ya anua, that is, nua is brother, so a person of my age, I can say ya anua. If she is an elderly, like my mother, I will say ya ena. Like my father, I will say ya agya. A prominent person, a chief or a queen, then I will say ya nanao. If the person is like a child to me, if the person is of the age of my child, I can respond ya oba. Ya oba. Oba. Oba means what? Child. So ya oba is like saying ya my child. Ya oba. Ya oba. Good. And if someone does something that is splendid, that requires recommendation, then I will say, Ayikoo, Ayikoo. I wish you also tell me, Ayikoo, Opoku, you have done well for teaching us this. Good. And then, in the night, if someone is going to sleep, and then the person tells me, I'm going to sleep, then I will say, the ye, meaning what? Good night. Nice one. This is where we draw the curtains down. And like I always plead with you, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe. Subscribing indeed motivates me to do more. Thanks for watching.